I am lobster. I keep growing forever. I taste with my legs. I chew with my stomachs. I can't really swim. I live in crevices or burrows on the seafloor.
I am squid. I am a rapid swimmer. I have 8 or 10 arms with suction cups. I live in ocean.
I am jellyfish. I have no brain. I am made of 98% of water. My mouth is found in the center of the body.
I am giraffe. I am tallest mammal on earth. I love to live in dry climate. I have long neck.
I am panda. My favorite food is bamboo. I can swim and even climb trees. I spend a lot of day eating.
I am dragonfly. I am flying insect. I live near lakes, streams, and ponds. I can fly faster than most other insects. I am freaky flyer. I have excellent vision.
I am kingfisher. I am a multicolored bird. I am popular for hunting and eating fish. I can fly at a speed of 60 to 70 kilometers per hour.
I am stag beetle. I am also called as pinching bug. I am robust and black or brown. I eat loads of rotting wood.
I'm owl.
I have strong night vision. I eat insects and small birds. I have very horrible looking face. I sleep during the day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.